In this video, I'll guide you through how to set up email notifications for form submissions in Webflow. Whether you're managing a simple contact form or a more complex data collection tool, enabling email notifications ensures you're always in the loop when someone fills out a form on your website. Let's get started by logging into your Webflow account. First, open your web browser and navigate to webflow.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account if you haven't done so already. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here, you should see a button labeled All Sites. Click on that to view a list of all the projects you are currently managing. Next, scroll through your list of sites and select the one for which you want to set up email notifications. Once you've identified the site, look for the gear icon next to it. This icon represents the settings for your site, so go ahead and click on it to access the settings menu. Now that you're in the site settings, you'll want to look for the Forms tab. Click on Forms, and this will direct you to the area where you can manage everything related to forms on your site. In this section, you might notice a prompt suggesting you add a site plan to get more submissions. Webflow's free plan limits the number of form submissions you can receive. So if you're expecting a large volume of responses, consider upgrading to a paid plan. This will allow you to receive more submissions and offers additional features that can be quite beneficial for growing businesses. Once you've taken care of the site plan, you can proceed to set up your email notifications. This step is crucial as it ensures that every time someone submits a form, you're instantly notified via email. To configure these notifications, you typically enter the email address where you want the notifications to be sent. Make sure it's an email address you check frequently, so you don't miss any important submissions from your users. With your email address set, you now have a fully functional form with notifications in place. Remember that keeping track of form submissions is an excellent way to maintain communication with your audience and address their inquiries promptly. If you ever need to modify the notification settings or change the email address, you can always return to this section in the site settings. And there you have it, a straightforward way to set up email notifications for form submissions in Webflow. This feature is a simple yet powerful tool to enhance your website's interactivity and ensure you're always connected with your site's visitors. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your Webflow forms more effectively. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.